something big is happening right now in the XRP world, and it's shaking up the entire crypto market. A major update has just come out in the long-running legal battle between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), and this could be one of the most important moments we've seen in the case so far. For those who have been following this closely, you already know this case has been dragging on since late 2020, with both sides making arguments about whether XRP should be considered a security. But today something has changed. A new legal filing or court ruling has hit the public, and it's sending shockwaves through the XRP community and beyond. Whether you're holding XRP or just watching from the sidelines, this is a moment you need to pay attention to, because what's happening now could decide the future of XRP. This latest update has triggered a strong reaction in the market. XRP's price has moved quickly, investors are talking, and analysts are scrambling to interpret what it all means. But one thing is clear: this isn't just noise. This is a real development with serious consequences. It could be the key turning point that either brings XRP one step closer to full regulatory clarity or sends it into another round of legal uncertainty. Either way, it's a big deal, and if you're an XRP holder, this news could directly affect your investment and confidence going forward. For months, people have been asking, when will this case end? Will Ripple win? Will XRP finally be cleared as a non-security? These questions have been hanging in the air, creating doubt and hesitation in the crypto space. But now, with this major update, we're closer than ever to getting real answers. This could mean a huge shift in how the US handles crypto regulation going forward. It's not just about Ripple, it's about the entire industry. And XRP is right at the center of it all. So let's break it down. What exactly just happened in the SEC case? Why is the market reacting so strongly? To fully understand the impact of this breaking update, we need to take a quick look back at the SEC versus Ripple case and how we got here. The case began in December 2020, when the US Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, claiming that XRP was an unregistered security and that Ripple had sold it without proper regulatory approval. This instantly created shockwaves in the crypto world. At the time, XRP was one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, and this lawsuit threw its future into uncertainty. Exchanges began delisting XRP, investors panicked, and the price dropped sharply. What followed was a long, drawn-out legal battle that has lasted for over 3 years. At the heart of the lawsuit is a key question: is XRP a security or not? The SEC believes that Ripple sold XRP as a security, meaning it should have registered it like a stock or bond. Ripple, on the other hand, argues that XRP is a digital currency, just like Bitcoin or Ethereum, neither of which have been classified as securities. This disagreement has turned into one of the most important legal cases in crypto history, because the outcome could affect how all cryptocurrencies are treated under US law. Over the past couple of years, both sides have made strong arguments. Ripple has gained support from top legal experts, blockchain developers, and even members of Congress who say the SEC's approach is outdated and unfair. Ripple has also pointed out that the SEC never gave clear rules about how digital assets should be handled, making it nearly impossible for companies to stay compliant. Several important rulings have happened along the way. One major win for Ripple came when a judge ruled that XRP sold on secondary markets like exchanges was not a security. This was a huge boost for XRP holders, and the price jumped after that news. But the case hasn't been fully settled yet until now, when this latest update just hit, changing the direction of the case once again. So before we jump into what the new development is, just remember this lawsuit isn't just about Ripple. It's about how the entire US regulatory system will treat crypto in the future. The outcome of this case will set a precedent for every other project in the space, and right now, with this breaking update, it looks like we're one step closer to a major turning point. Let's now get into what this new update actually is, and why it's sending shockwaves across the XRP and crypto community. So what exactly is this major update that has everyone talking? Just recently, a new court filing was made public that could completely shift the momentum of the SEC versus Ripple case. According to legal documents and insider reports, the judge overseeing the case has either signaled or issued a new ruling that leans heavily in Ripple's favor. While full details are still emerging, what's clear is that this development is not minor. It's a major move that could bring the case closer to resolution. One of the key highlights in this update is the judge's strong stance on how XRP should be viewed when traded on secondary markets. If confirmed, this could solidify the earlier decision that XRP is not a security when traded on crypto exchanges. That's a massive deal, because it would mean the average retail investor buying XRP isn't participating in an illegal securities transaction. That kind of clarity could give exchanges the green light to relist XRP without fear of legal trouble, and we've already started to see some exchanges preparing for that possibility. In addition to that, the latest filing may include deadlines for the final stages of the case, whether it's a summary judgment or a potential settlement window. Legal experts watching the case closely are saying that this update shows the court is moving toward wrapping things up. That means we're not just stuck in limbo anymore. There's now a clearer path ahead, and the end of this legal battle might be closer than anyone expected. Market reaction has been quick and sharp. XRP saw a noticeable spike in price almost immediately after the update dropped. Trading volume surged, social media lit up, and the crypto world started buzzing. Investors are reading this as a strong sign that Ripple is gaining the upper hand, and that XRP could soon break free from the cloud of uncertainty that's been holding it back for years. If Ripple gets a full or even partial win, it will send a powerful message not just to XRP holders, but to the entire crypto industry. Now that we've unpacked the breaking update and how the court appears to be shifting in Ripple's favor, let's talk about what this actually means for XRP, both in the short term and the long term. In the short term, this development could bring a serious boost to investor confidence. When there's legal clarity, especially from a judge in a case this important, people start to feel more secure about holding or buying an asset. That's exactly what we're seeing now with XRP. The price reacted immediately, and if this momentum continues, we could see XRP push past key resistance levels. Traders are already watching for breakouts, and if more exchanges feel safe to relist XRP, trading volume could explode. That means more access, more liquidity, and more attention, not just from crypto investors, but also from institutional players who have been waiting on the sidelines. But the real excitement lies in the long term. If this update is followed by a clear legal victory or a favorable settlement for Ripple, XRP will finally shed the uncertainty that's been holding it. This would allow Ripple to continue expanding its business across the US without the fear of constant legal pressure. It could also pave the way for XRP to be used more freely in new financial products and services. Think about it. Banks, remittance companies, and payment providers could